Hi everybody, in today's video we're going to take a listen at 3 super SUVs. Alright, let's take a look at who we have on tap today. Okay, now we know who's playing, let's see how they all sound individually. We will start off with the Alpina XB7. Next up is the Mercedes G63, aka the G-Wagon. This will be recorded weird because the G-Wagon has side-exit exhaust, so I'll try my best. Put it right here. And the last of the bunch is the X7 M50i. You just heard 3 super SUVs, all having V8s, totaling 1700 horsepower. Which one did you guys like the most? In my opinion, I actually liked the X7 M50i. Even though it has the least amount of horsepower, to me it just had the best tone. If you all didn't notice, the Mercedes is 3 years older than the Alpina and the BMW. We didn't have a new one to test, but if you do have one in Southern California, let me know. If you enjoyed this video, would you be able to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe? If not, just subscribe for more cool content like this. Thank you to Jesse James of BMW Vista. Stay tuned for my next video. Talk to y'all soon. Thank you. Bye.